I'm Justin Mcnichols, licensed electrician and owner of TPB Construction. For years, I ran my business without knowing how profitable I was. I knew I was making money, I just didn't know how much. Every job was different. I always had to guess what materials would cost. I guessed how much to mark it all up, I'd tack on my labor, and whatever I made was what I made. I always done pretty good, I just didn't know how good I was doing. There's a report in Contractor Plus that shows me my actuals. So I know how much I bid on a job, and I know how much I actually made.
Justin is a hard worker. He's like OCD with the quality of his work. He holds himself and his employees to a really high standard. He was a bit stubborn when I suggested he find software to manage his business.
I really just didn't want to take time to put everything in an app. I mean, I was making money. I figured that was all that mattered. But I knew I needed to get it together if I seriously wanted to grow my business. I wanted to be able to hire more workers and take on more jobs. Contractor Plus has made that possible.
The job schedule lets us see everything that is going on at any given time. We can manage more than one job at a time. Everything is really easy to use.
I can access the app on my phone or my computer, so I can generate reports and finish estimates from the laptop when I get home. But I can also pull out my phone and access everything I need. It's great.
Contractor Plus isn't just an app. Contractor Plus Payments lets us accept credit cards and checks with low rates, and the funds get deposited into our bank the same day. That's important because we need access to the money for materials. It wouldn't work without same-day payments.
Contractor Plus does a really nice job making websites. If a company doesn't have a logo, they make their logo for them. They have a print shop right in the app where I can order my t-shirts. They even do lead generation to get us more customers. They provide contractors with just about everything they could ever need.
I think the most impressive thing about Contractor Plus is their support. They make sure their customers know how to use the app. They are always available when we need something. That's what matters most.
I'm glad Lauren found Contractor Plus and told me to download it. It makes a big difference, a really big difference.